see if I can keep up with legendary EP.
Hey, crunchy that is. Wonder if I should put my pewter away now. Doesn't seem to be preciping.
No, that's done. But it might be.
But now it's all icing.
Now because you're frozen.
It's icing and all the stuff's hanging down hitting the Peter.
Yeah, we're going to be like all ice skate down here.
Okay, maybe it'll make it go faster.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of all EP through snail trail. Thanks. Thanks. Stop the freeze, take a picture of that.
Oh, you got it.
The top of my house is getting all icy. Yeah, the top of my house. Extra cast training. Oh, extra cast training. More weight. Parachute training. I like it. You need to open your parachute up a little bit though. That's right. You got too much viscosity going. Oh, do the Maryland row. I'll go like this. Ready? Oh, I got it. Take it to Maryland. I got it. Woo! Up hands, up hands. Low hands, up hands.
This is stage 1 of cast training. Bear Krista.
Okay, I'm sorry. You're off the show. You took that, now you're off. You're gone. Here's $38 to get home from Indonesia. Oh.
So
if I go faster than air
No,
come
I'm
out.
saying, so the fan, is it a fan that you can access from the firewall, or is it inside?
It's all under the bulkhead. It's way up underneath.
On the dash? Are you 100% sure?
Yep. I've researched everything. If you want to help me, I got it on vid right here. It says you'll help me.
I didn't say I'd help you yet. I got what year's your Saab?
94.
94.
No, it's pretty much, it's getting to the end of its life expectancy anyway, so I'm just waiting.
What do you got, 400,000?
No, like 220.
220?
No, maybe not. You know what? I'm sorry, it might be 120, 125.
No, you still got 100 left, dude. Just keep waxing those
clutch.
wheels.
Yeah,
huh? What you don't buy a new car because your clutch goes out.
No, I know, but
your fan goes out, so buy a new car.
Everything else is out. The window goes down when you're driving Peter and Guy off a cliff. You know, I mean, you know.
And
like he shoots him out of the
Sean
seat.
and Sean and
yeah, that was my wife's car. Yeah.
Fosterson?
That was a different situation.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was my wife's car. No, it was my wife's car.
Same thing,
but I almost
but it was
drove
EP
him off the
style driving.
Right, but
so
the window
doesn't
didn't
matter.
go down. They didn't
See,
eject.
So it doesn't matter if you're.
I didn't have to say, "Sorry, Peter. You know, I almost killed you," when you and Guy are just sitting in the back seat.
Yeah.
I didn't have to say that at all.
No, I know. But what's that got to do with the car? Same situation, different car. Who cares if it's an old car or new car? Same.
Oh wow, man, that's awesome. Wow. Very conservative.